In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the No Preview Available error on Google Drive. This is a common issue that can be quite frustrating when trying to access files. So let's dive in and explore the steps to resolve this problem efficiently. First, let's start by logging into your Google account and heading to Google Drive. It's important to be signed in, as you'll need the right permissions to access and troubleshoot your documents. Once you're in your Google Drive, locate the file that's causing this error. It's typically indicated by the absence of a preview pane, which is what we're aiming to fix. Now, a simple but often effective first step is to refresh your page. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon on your browser or by simply pressing the F5 key. Sometimes, a quick refresh can resolve temporary glitches that cause the No Preview Available error. If refreshing doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong network, as a weak connection can sometimes prevent Google Drive from loading previews. You might want to switch to a different network or reset your router to rule out connectivity issues. Next, it's time to try a different browser. Sometimes the problem lies with the browser itself rather than Google Drive. Google Chrome is a solid choice, but if you're experiencing issues there, try switching to Firefox, Safari, or Edge. It's not uncommon for browser-specific settings to interfere with file previews. Once you've switched browsers, or if you prefer sticking to the one you usually use, clearing the cache is another viable solution. Accumulated cache and cookies can disrupt normal browser functions, so clearing them might help resolve the error. You can find the option to clear your browsing data within your browser's settings, typically under Privacy or History. If none of these steps resolve the issue, check the file format. Not all file types are supported for previews in Google Drive. Ensure that the file is in a format that Google Drive can preview, such as PDFs, JPEGs, or supported video formats. If the file isn't supported, you may need to download it to view it or convert it to a compatible format. As a final step, address any potential permission issues. Make sure that you have the right permissions to view the file. If the file is shared with you, double-check with the owner to confirm that you have received the correct access rights. And there you have it, some practical and straightforward steps to troubleshoot the No Preview Available error on Google Drive. Hopefully, one of these solutions has worked for you. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.